Big on it. Unit 33, my 4-1 lead.
If I'm ever in rooster comes around, yeah, I'll probably be there. It's a pirate. We're big out.
618. Unit 33.
Over 25, turn the down.
Good trip out there.
Man, these ducks up here in Spokane just out there just yelling and jumping, and all you gotta do is just key up like that, put a cap on them. They're back quiet.
Check, check. I got a little elevation audio here. Just crossing this Sacramento River.
Hello Thunder. Hello Thunder is a bigger antenna. Zookeeper in the corner got that.
Homemade 2-element antenna. Yeah, they call me Coyote.
Well, if he's our Thunder in Spokane, if he's in Spokane, he does. Because I don't hear him, and he's a duck. Now, if he's in California, he might be a bad man. He might be bad. I don't know. Couldn't tell you. Zookeeper in the corner. You sound good too, man. Right up there in the red in my old Kenwood. Take care, 445, Zookeeper in the corner with just 2 Z's at quarter throttle, quiet.
Yeah.
Hello, 445. Take care, man. Catch you another day. I'm back quiet. I think it's chicken spin ball. Man, there's somebody out there trying to get their radio to work, and they've got a hum and a squeal and a stutter and a futter and I don't know what else. Man, get that radio fixed. Zookeeper in the corner.
Yeah, y'all got something wrong with that microphone, man. There's something wrong with it.
How about a radio man? How about that radio man?
You got someone down there coming from the east.
No doubt about it. No doubt about it. I guess I got a feeling I can get in. No doubt. Back quiet. No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Reader man, 445, from Mother Nature, let's just do it again. You know who? T-Bird, left coast mud dog.
You guys got him. Sound real good in the corner.
They got it.